What's up, crew? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. It's great to see you all again. It's been a minute and I have missed you so much. So I have an awesome video in store for you today, guys. I'm going to be testing out a hair product as well as a couple of hairbrushes that I got from a company called Concept Creations. I'm going to do a little bit of a styling tutorial and review for you at the same time. So I don't usually use a pomade, which is what this product is. So I'm stepping way out of my comfort zone here, but I do this for you guys. So let's jump right into it. Before we jump into today's video, I do want to talk to you about today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Now, as you guys know, Rose Gold and Black is one of my favorite jewelry companies of all time. They produce some of the highest quality jewelry pieces that I own. They're simple, they're clean, they're versatile, they go with just about everything, and they are extremely cost effective for the quality that you're getting with these pieces. So if you guys are looking for a way to improve your style, up your accessory game, head over to rosegoldandblack.com. There will be a link for you in the description to click on. When you click on that link, everything on the website is already discounted for you. You don't have to enter any type of discount code. It's already done. This is our special link. Go show Rose Gold and Black some love, guys. They support me, they support you, and they support this channel. They support us. So head over to rosegoldandblack.com and get yourself some high quality jewelry. Alright, so the first thing that I need to do is re-wet my hair. I just shampooed and conditioned it, but it's a little bit drier than I want it to be. So I'm going to wet my hands and kind of get it a little bit damp again. Now, since this is going to be a water-based pomade product that I'm putting in my hair, I really don't want my hair to be too damp. This is actually too wet. I'm gonna dry this off just a little bit. I want my hair to be right around 10 to 15% moisture, which means that my hair is sort of wet, but not really. You'll see what I mean here in a second. And this is just about perfect. As you guys can see, my hair is sort of wet, but it's not like sopping, dripping wet. It's barely damp. And that's exactly where you want it to be when you're applying products in your hair. Like I said in the beginning, we are going to be reviewing and styling my hair with a water-based pomade today. So that is by the company Concept Creations. Now, these guys reached out to me. They said they wanted me to give it a try. They wanted me to show you guys what it looks like in my hair, that type of stuff, because they are a growing, up-and-coming, brand new hair product company. This is, from what I understand, the only hair product they have right now, but they will be making more in the future. They'll be making different kinds, different variations, but right now, all they got is the pomade, so let's give it a shot. Now, right off the bat, opening this jar, the product smells really good. Like it smells like a really solid cologne. It honestly smells really awesome. So I'm gonna get a gentle amount of this product, just a little bit, because I really don't love the shine of pomades. I'm only gonna get that much. So let's emulsify this in my hands. Pulling it out of the jar, it does feel a little thick and quite sticky actually, which is honestly good because a lot of pomades don't feel that way. They feel just kind of like gross and gel-like. Emulsifying in my hands, it almost disappears. Starting from the back of my head and moving forward, again, I do not want this to be entirely too shiny in my hair. I want it just to give it a little bit of hold and a little bit of shape, and we'll kind of see what goes from there. So not only does Concept Creations have the water-based pomade, but they also have the comb and the comb and the brush. So I'm gonna use the brush first of all to get this product all the way throughout my hair. I'm starting at the front of my head and working back, and then eventually I'm gonna do the opposite. Just making sure every hair is evenly coated with product as it can be. And this is also gonna start the shaping of my hair before I go in with the hairdryer. And honestly, guys, I think I've gotten a little bit too little. I'm gonna do it just a little bit more. There's that shine. After adding a little bit more product, there's definitely noticeably more shine. I think I didn't get enough the first time. But again, this is why I'm using this hairbrush. I'm just kind of working it throughout the entirety of my head. Instead of just having it concentrated in one or two spots, I want it to be distributed evenly as possible. And that's what this hairbrush is going to be great for. And honestly, guys, this is a super nice hairbrush. Like, normally when I go to like the salon or go to like Ulta or Walmart or Target or something, I look for a halfway decent brush and I can never find one. But this one is actually really great. It doesn't pull up my hair very much at all. It really does a great job of shaping my hair. As you can kind of see here, the bristles are kind of angled in this certain way. So if I were to like use this in the hair dryer, which I most likely will here in a few minutes, then it's going to allow me to shape my hair with it as well, pre-styling. So now that I've got this product all the way through my hair, now I'm going to use the hair dryer. So before I go in with the hair dryer, I am going to kind of go for that slick, pulled back kind of look. but I'm not going to make it like the traditional like slick back straight with a ton of product in my hair. I'm going to make it a little bit messy. Just kind of what I like. I like my hair to be a little bit messy. I think it looks kind of cool that way. So we're going to go for the messy, relaxed pullback look. Alright, and then as always, I'm going to go in with the cooling setting as well. Alright guys, and as you can see, this is pretty much the look that I was going for. Like I said, I wanted to make it a little bit of a messy, kind of pulled back look. And that is exactly what I was able to get with this product. It looks really, really killer. See how it kind of pulls back and then drops down over the side here? I really, really love the way that this came out. Like I said, this is just my preference. This is how I would style this. This is how I like to style pomades and stuff like that. I don't necessarily love a clean pulled back look. But if you wanted to go for that, you could use the comb by Concept Creations and get that same effect. So let me just show you what that would look like here. And this is what it would look like if I used the comb, pulled it back a little bit more. It looks a lot more professional, it looks a lot more clean. But again, that's not what I prefer. I prefer it to be a little bit more messy, kind of like that. Yeah. And just like that. And I don't know if you guys actually noticed it before, but I was using the hairdryer to break up some of the uniformity of my hair when I had it pulled all the way back. I used the cooling setting on the hairdryer to create more texture and to break it up a little bit to allow me to, you know, not have it all pulled back in one sort of direction, which makes this kind of a hairstyle look even better. Okay, so now that we've gone through all of that, let me show you a quick 360 of what this hairstyle looks like. Alright guys, and that also goes to show you that you do not have to use pomades for what they are intended or what they're supposed to be used for. A lot of people believe that pomades are only for that pulled back hairstyle type of look, but as you can see here, I was able to achieve something that is totally different from that. And a lot of the credit for this hairstyle does not go to me. It goes to Concept Creations pomade. It's what they describe as a firm, flexible hold and a semi-shine finish. So as you can see, this is not a pomade that's going to leave your hair greasier than the bottom of your car. It is also not a pomade that's going to weigh your hair down because it's so heavy and so thick. I was able to create volume with this product. I was able to create a hairstyle that's not the traditional pomade type of hairstyle, and it didn't leave my hair a greasy, disgusting mess. And with all that being said, guys, if you want to check out Concept Creations, I will have them linked for you in the description. I will link the pomade, I will link the brush and the comb. I think this is an amazing hair product. I am so stoked to see what they come out with next because this product is so amazing. I am definitely going to be trying what's next for them in the future. They're up and coming and they did an absolutely incredible job on this pomade. Head over to conceptcreation.com. Again, it will be linked for you in the description if you want to check it out. I highly suggest it because I do not like pomades, but I love this. Alright guys, and that wraps it up for today's video. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below and you can see when I post a video next. Join the crew family. We are growing every single day on YouTube. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers as of this video. I think we're like 30 or 40 away, which is absolutely insane. Join the crew family. Become a part of the crew. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. Drop your comments in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys next Friday. I'm out.